Did you know there's a $300 a day money well hidden away on YouTube? Let me ask you something. If you have a problem to solve, or you have a do-it-yourself project, or maybe you want to buy something online and want to learn more about it, which search engine do you use? Chances are, if you're like most people, you don't use a search engine at all. You use YouTube. Yet what people don't realize is 1.6 billion people on the internet use YouTube as a search engine, a video search engine. A video search engine that's actually more popular than Google. Amazing, yes? Then prepare to be blown away. Armed with this incredible insight, plus what I'm about to share in the next 3 minutes, you just stumbled on one of the most powerful yet little-known money-making secrets on the planet. It's a secret I can use anytime to make $300, $500, even as much as $1,000 with a few hours' effort and a little know-how. Day in and day out. Every day, like clockwork. Want to see some proof? How about making $322.50 with only 9 minutes work? Now, meet Susan. Susan brings in an average of $300 per day. How? With the same YouTube secret I'm about to share in this video. Best part, she doesn't even get on camera. And this is Gary. He pulls in $400 a day on average. And Lori, she rakes in a steady $1,000 or more almost every single day of the week. Again, with the same secret. They all use a secret that's hidden in plain sight. Hi, my name's Charlotte. People call me Charlie. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you a little-known way to generating a meaningful side income from home, using nothing but you and your laptop. The best part? You can do this part-time, working your own hours. You get to do it from home. And what's amazing is, even though the secret involves YouTube, there's no need to get in front of a camera. That means you get to make money sitting right there in your comfy, cozy pajamas. I know, right? By the way, the more you do it, the more money you make. It compounds dollar on top of dollar. What I'm about to share enables me to give my family the things they never had before. We go on luxury vacations a couple times a year. I never worry about bills or mortgage payments anymore, and I have this extra cushion in my bank account. It really takes the heat off, you know? Peace of mind. I'm a stay-at-home mom. My 3 kids are my life. And although my husband has a good job he really likes, it's a struggle getting by on a restaurant manager's salary alone. All I wanted to do was earn a little extra money each month to pay for the girls' things, to be able to take them out for dinner once in a while. Nothing too extravagant. Then suddenly, Dave comes home all excited. He had an idea. It seems someone quit at the restaurant. She told Dave the reason she was quitting was she was making really good money from home working online. Dave said he didn't want to lose her, so he tried to match what she was making. She said, "Dave, you're a great boss, but there's no way you can match $300 for doing only a couple hours of work a day." His mouth dropped. He couldn't believe it. He explained our story to her. Her response was a miracle. She said, "If you want, I could show Charlie what I do. Just have her give me a call and we'll set something up." A few days later, Miranda and I met at the local Waffle House. Just her, me, and her laptop. Miranda showed me her PayPal statement. Some days she made $100, a couple of times she made $500. Usually it was just $300 to $400. Yet she swore she never worked more than 3 hours a day. All you need is a little 2-minute video uploaded to YouTube. And she gets paid when people buy whatever it was she was talking about. That morning after Waffle House, I rushed home, couldn't wait to get started. Even though I wasn't sure of the process, I was eager to try, so I quickly signed up to the main site and free software Miranda recommended. All it took was a name and email address. And I couldn't believe what I saw. One opportunity after another. I just had to try this. Although I'd be lying if I didn't say I started to feel those familiar doubts. Sure, this may work out for Miranda, but could I do this? Yet I had nothing to lose. I picked an item I could talk easily about, a skincare product, and created a short video about it. Then I uploaded it to YouTube. It was all done in a few clicks. Later that afternoon, I heard a ping on my smartphone. My heart jumped. It was an email from the website. It simply read, "You received a commission." My mind started to race. Was this it? Was this the breakthrough I so desperately wanted? I logged into my account, and obviously, I had made a mistake. It was weird, because when I looked, I didn't see one sale. I saw 2 sales, worth a total of $37.10. Not bad for about 10 minutes of work. Yet there it was. I was over the moon. You can imagine what I did next. Of course, I made another video, this time for a different item. Remember, there's no cost at all for doing this, so why not? I uploaded the file to YouTube and watched my account like a hawk. A few hours later, what do you know? Another sale. Plus, I got another sale from the first video I uploaded. My total for the day was 4 sales and $82.50. I could hardly believe it. This was the breakthrough. This proof was all I needed. Plus, Miranda said those videos would be like little worker bees for me. They'll be generating commissions for me long into the future. Thanks to YouTube, it's all at your fingertips. You can get started minutes from now. I wanted to share with you how I stumbled on the stunningly lucrative world of what I call YouTubing, and how you can follow in my footsteps with the same exact roadmap. If you'll permit me, I'd like to introduce Tubeloom. Tubeloom is the only income-generating blueprint anywhere that reveals how to make a full or part-time income using quick, simple, easy-to-make videos.
Please click the link in the description to see full review of this program.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.